Today, we're going to be going over a short tutorial for setting alerts on your accounts and your debit card from your online banking account.
From your main dashboard, you will navigate over to the menu on the left-hand side. Select your name down in the bottom left-hand corner. This will pull up a shorter menu with setting options. Click Account Settings. This will show you all of the account options you have currently. Select the account you would like to work with. Today we'll be selecting checking. Under Alerts and Cards, you will have options to set alerts for balances, transactions, and card management. You can choose to be alerted by in-app message, email, or by text message. You can edit the current alerts by clicking Edit, and you can add an alert for balances and for transactions. Under the Card Management tab, select the card you would like to work with here. Select Alerts and Protection. From here, you can manage your notification settings, ask it to notify you of all transactions, or block certain types of merchants. You can also set transaction limits and transaction types. Don't forget to click Save when you're all finished.
We hope this tutorial was able to assist you with your financial needs. Follow us on Facebook or Instagram for more.